Carl Fleming here at MarineMax Stuart. Going to give you a quick tour of our 2018 Boston Whaler 345 Conquest. This particular boat has triple 350 Mercury Verados, joystick piloting, beautiful white engines to match the Boston Whaler gel coat. As we step into the cockpit here, you'll see there's tons of room, plenty of room for fishing or if you want to entertain. We've got fold-out bench seats that easily fold away. There's our removable cockpit table. It goes right in the center here also. A great social area to entertain. We've got an electric grill. It slides out here. This seat here is also reversible. Again, from the social aspect, it's great, and it's a great place for fishing to sit there and watch the lines as well. Move into the helm area. This boat has the Raymarine GS 165 screen on it. Again, the joystick piloting, Mercury vessel view. Plenty of seating on the other side here as well. The whole thing's air conditioned, full side glass window, removable filler cushion here. We work our way into the cabin. You'll see this window in the center has a vent. Really nice to get some airflow going. This table here is electric. You just hit a button, it'll go down. These cushions will slide over to make the bed. Couch here pulls out as well. And then there's a third berth in the aft. So you could comfortably sleep about 6 people on this boat. You'll also see that there's a enclosed head, vacuum flush toilet. Microwave, 2 refrigerators on the boat, one out in the cockpit, one in the cabin here. Stovetop. Again, my name's Carl Fleming with MarineMax Stuart. If you'd like to schedule a showing of the boat, I'd be happy to take you through it. You can reach me on my cell phone at 772-349-4178. Have a good day.